Ago, I upgraded my Ripper 2 with new buckles and ratchets, and then I added a back band to it, and it's just been, the buckles and ratchets are great, but I'm getting pinched in my really sensitive sides, my love handle area. So this is kind of what I did. I installed these, and then I installed that. This was my attempt to make the pinching not hurt so much. It had a very minor effect. So I've been talking to a friend, it's Brent, my friend Brent. He told me he installed this IR back band in his firecracker, and it's super comfortable. It's a kit. So I thought, you know what? Going on the Grand Canyon, this is the boat I'm going to take. I'm going to get the kit. So I got the kit. Let's check it out. Let's install it. So this is how it comes. And let's see what kind of information I can get you here. So it is the forward adjust Reggie's back band. I don't know who this Reggie is. I hope he likes his back to be comfy, because that's how I want mine to be. If you don't know knots, tie one of Reggie's knots. They seem to work. It's a lot of knottage. It's a lot of rope to create this thing. Holy crap. What am I going to use this for? There we go. I broke it. Broke the knot. Whew. Here we go. Here's the back band. I'm going to tell you this thing, it's thick and it's padded. I'm going to give it those points right now. It has the same ratchets as the ones I've already installed. So what these are going to be, I'm going to use these as spares. The ones I have there are identical to that. I got some of these. They kind of look like my back band cheat, but there's 3 of them. I'm sure they're just like attachment points. Oh, there's 4 of those, and a nice bag, nice mesh bag. You know, if you want to rob a bank, I think this might be perfect. So let's get to it. So these are out, and we're gonna take the rest of it out. So here we are. We're gonna have some spare stuff for my boat. I'm gonna put it in our repair kit for the Grand Canyon. I did this back band hack for all my Piranha boats. I've talked about it before. So I'm actually gonna loop this through the back band hack. I think these are like nicer versions that they've made to kind of do the same thing. So I actually cut these and I'm gonna run them through here like the originals to hold the seat up like that. I'm just heating up my soldering iron to singe these bungee cords. That might be my favorite kayak tool of them all. She's in. I did a lot of things differently. Well, I did things differently than I imagined I was gonna do in the first place. So I actually used these straps here to go through my back band hack, there and there. These I had to alter and they were a huge pain. I made them like the original, where they go through here, and then I used the original, I don't know if I can pull it out, but see that little adjustment piece there? I don't know what you call that thing, but I reused it, and I actually had to make these holes bigger so this would fit, not much bigger. And then here we go. These guys I just ran through behind here and up to here. These are in. So the back band feels tight. It doesn't pinch. It does feel a little low, a little bit, but I think that's adjustable in some way. Somehow I will figure that out. But yeah, it actually feels, it's definitely comfy, but I don't know how it's gonna feel till I get it on the water. So tomorrow I will use it on the water and get back to you. Well, let's cut to the chase here. Cue the music. Cue that chill music we love. I felt great with this new back band. I felt much more connected to my boat, and the pinching of my bum and love handles was dramatically reduced to zero. I felt much more controlled when surfing my boat. It's interesting how much the back band actually affects our kayaking, and I really felt this when out at Harvey Passage. Right here was a great test for the back band, getting trashed in a hole. At no point did I slip or slide out of the seat. Out of all the boats I paddled in the last few years, I would have to say my favorite is actually the Zet, and I wish there was a kit where I could put the Zet back band in all my boats. But you know what? This actually works really well. It's cushiony, supportive, and makes you feel connected to your boat. And what more could you really ask for? The OG back band is definitely one I think that required improvement, and in the new boat, the Reactor, they realized the need for this and they fixed it. So for all of us who are stuck with the OG back bands and want to try something else or come up with something more comfortable, this is an awesome option and I highly recommend it. Once again, I'll say this, if you like my content, then like it please, and subscribe if you want to see more of my stuff. Also, I'm always open to things you want me to try and review. And yeah, thank you, and stay classy as always.